Welcome everyone in today's video. In today's video, we will learn some sentences in English and Marathi. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, do not forget like and subscribe. Now let's see sentences. मी हे कुठेतरी पाहिलेलं आहे. I have seen this somewhere. I have seen this somewhere. तू मला ओळखले नाही. Didn't you recognize me? Didn't you recognize me? अर्थातच मी तुला ओळखले. Of course I recognized you. Of course I recognized you. तुला मला आनंदी पाहायचं आहे का? Do you want to see me happy? Do you want to see me happy? मग इथून जा, परत येऊ नको. Then go from here and don't come again. Then go from here and don't come again. मी स्वतःला निवडले. I chose myself. I chose myself. मी माझी काळजी घेऊ शकते. I can take care of myself. I can take care of myself. तू तुझी समस्या सोडव. You solve your problem. You solve your problem. तू हे का करत आहेस? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? कारण मला स्वतःला शिक्षा द्यायला आवडते. Because I like to punish myself. Because I like to punish myself. ती बदलली आहे. She had changed. She had changed. माझ्याकडे बघ. Look at me. Look at me. तू कोणाशी का बोलत नाही? Why don't you talk to anyone? Why don't you talk to anyone? तुला एकटं वाटत नाही? Don't you feel lonely? Don't you feel lonely? परत तिच्याशी बोलू नको. Don't talk to her again. Don't talk to her again. मला ते आवडत नाही. I don't like that. I don't like that. मी तुला कशी सापडले? How did you find me? How did you find me? माझ्या लक्षात नाही आले. I didn't notice. I didn't notice. ते माझं स्वतःचं आहे. That is my own. That is my own. माझं कोणीतरी चोरलेलं आहे. Someone has stolen mine. Someone has stolen mine. ते मला माहित नाही. I don't know that. I don't know that. तुझं तू शोध. You search your. You search your. हे माझं आहे. This is mine. This is mine. तो स्वतःला विसरला. He forgot himself. He forgot himself. मी तुला खरं सांगितलं, ही माझी चूक होती. That was my fault that I told you the truth. That was my fault that I told you the truth. तू पूर्ण दिवस कुठे होता? Where were you whole day? Where were you whole day? तिथे कोणीतरी आहे का? Is there someone? Is there someone? कोणाला तरी पाठव. Send someone. Send someone. तो तुला काय म्हणाला? What he said you? What he said you? मी ऐकलं नाही. I didn't hear. I didn't hear. मी तुला का सांगू? Why do I tell you? Why do I tell you? मला कोणीही थांबवू शकत नाही. No one can stop me. No one can stop me. कुठेही जाऊ नको. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. जेवढं विचारलं तेवढं सांग. Tell just asked. Tell just asked. ते विसर. Forget that. Forget that. तू तुझे पैसे ठेवू शकते. You can keep your money. You can keep your money. तू सगळं कसं शोधते? How do you find everything? How do you find everything? मला सगळं समजतं. Understand everything. Understand everything. तुला काय पाहिजे? आईस्क्रीम की लस्सी? What do you want? आईस्क्रीम or buttermilk? What do you want? आईस्क्रीम or buttermilk? मला दोन्ही पाहिजे. I want both. I want both. तुला एकच निवडावे लागेल. तुला एकच निवडावे लागेल. You will have to choose only one. You will have to choose only one. Hearty thanks for watching this video. I will see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye and take care.